China just revealed this about Cardano that could impact its price to skyrocket soon. What is this all about? That's what you have to stay tuned to in this video so you won't miss this exciting update about Cardano. While Cardano has recovered some lost ground recently, it still lags behind the ecosystem compared to year-to-date performance. Despite the fixed income market pricing in the tightening cycle, the digital asset market's overall resilience has contributed to its resilience. Aside from this, a strategy known as the bridge has been employed by Cardano to get access to China, having partnered up with Nervos, a Chinese public blockchain. Should this happen, what does Cardano stand to gain, and what does China have to say about this? Check out this video to find out. So how have things been with China and the crypto world so far? China shocked the crypto world when it announced that financial institutions and payment companies to ban or would no longer be able to process cryptocurrency transactions last May 2021, discouraging investors from speculative trading in cryptocurrencies. Also, a burgeoning digital market was the target of China's attempt to crack down. The ban states that banks and online payment channels may not provide clients with services that involve currencies through registration, trading, clearing, or settlement. China has intensified its efforts to regulate cryptocurrencies in May 2021, citing concerns about environmental degradation and a need to maintain stability and order. Further, the Chinese government banned crypto exchanges in 2017, and officials have increasingly focused their efforts on Bitcoin mining. Bitcoin mining is how computers are rewarded for solving complex problems to earn Bitcoin. In addition to consuming vast amounts of energy to mine Bitcoin, the computers required to do this can be found cheaply and in abundance in China, though often with dirty power sources which contradict China's climate goals. Due to the crackdown in China, the crypto market has seen some significant crashes and tempered interest in primary tokens like Bitcoin, which was worth $40,448 last Holy Week, compared to nearly $64,000 at its all-time high, April 2021. Due to this ban, Cardano strategically partnered with Nervos, a Chinese public blockchain, to gain access to the Chinese market. However, this is not the only significance of the partnership. The partnership has the potential to skyrocket Cardano's trading price and transform it forever if it lands Cardano in the good graces of China. Putting today's conversation into context, China is the world's leading source of cryptocurrency trade. Nearly 80% of global Bitcoin transactions are conducted in China, according to a 2020 study. So with the partnership between Nervos and Cardano, ADA could become the world's #1 crypto. Also, China will be convinced to adopt cryptocurrencies through the bridge strategy utilized by Cardano and Nervos. Cardano would make the transition from pretty good to great if this project were successful. A cross-chain bridge between the Cardano and the Nervos public blockchain will be created using IOHK's blockchain engineers and the Chinese public blockchain Nervos. As a result, Cardano has built its first bridge connecting two ecosystems worth billions of dollars. Moreover, the development is a further step towards Nervos and Cardano's common goal, which is to find the moment when the blockchain industry becomes Bluetooth-enabled, and users should be able to experience a seamless experience no matter what blockchain network they are using. The partnership between Cardano and Nervos blockchain helps bridge the gap between Cardano's native currency in China. So in what ways does this bridge help? By using this bridge, users will be able to transact with Nervos and Cardano's native currencies simultaneously, CKB and ADA, respectively, and create tokens transferable between the two blockchains. This process is possible by using a technique referred to as token wrapping. Additionally, developers on both chains take advantage of services and features tailored to expand the usage of their decentralized applications. And it doesn't stop there. By connecting the two platforms, developers utilizing the Nervos platform will be able to access IOHK's token solution for Cardano and DeFi-based apps built on the Plutus platform. Further on, Cardano sidechains and state channels were developed, among other features. With features such as these, Cardano's token use cases will continue to rise, and with more users, there will be more token holders, which will also drive up its price. However, the burning question on everyone's minds is whether to wrap tokens. Using Cardano's native token technology and Nervos's UDT technology, we will be able to tackle the inefficiency and the costs associated with the hassle of maintaining specific smart contracts contract logistics involved in token implementation. Additionally, the process will remove the necessity of creating a custom piece of code, as well as the potential for human error in what is sought that could lead to losses. Among these losses was the loss of $300 million worth of Ethereum in 2017 due to software bugs. However, the bridge can do much more. Additionally, the bridge will allow users to create assets that benefit from all the operational features of ADA. Through this solution, projects are able to access blockchain's high levels of speed and security without incurring costs. Moreover, IOHK and Nervos collaborate on these projects as part of their ongoing collaboration. In December 2020, Nervos and IOHK announced that they would co-author research papers to improve the UTXO model, and they are exploring the creation of a universal accounting standard and furthering open source development. In the same way, experts believe interconnecting blockchain networks will similarly achieve mass adoption with the adaptation of the method used for building the Internet, interconnected networks and extranets. Therefore, users won't be restricted to just one network or standard. Additionally, regardless of their original network or initial provider, they can seamlessly access value and utility. Therefore, bridges are essential to ensuring a seamless user experience, but they may become the new norm. The underlying blockchains will become a transport layer and be used as a backdrop as they connect blockchain communities to find innovative ways to work together, similar to what Cardano is doing with Nervos. Also, IOHK added that we could make sure blockchain delivers on its promise of making global financial operating systems fairer and more efficient. Kevin Wang, the co-founder of Nervos, says that the main bridge will advance the entire network. Given the relationship they've already built with IOHK, creating a bridge connecting Nervos and Cardano is especially intriguing to him. In addition, he continued, we are now increasing our research and development partnerships. Still now, we have a concrete bridge that will demonstrate the power of the Force Bridge and propel us forward toward a functional, interoperable network. And a grant from Nervos will help build the bridge with financial support from Mousebelt, a full-service blockchain accelerator. Then, connecting Cardano to the bridge will require the resources and expertise of the Cardano team. According to recent reports, work has commenced and the bridge is said to be completed soon enough. In addition to Charles Hoskinson, Cardano's founder, mentioning POS systems, he also mentioned the ability for their operators to deploy services anywhere in the world, using just a command line. Therefore, a regulatory crackdown on POS blockchains like Cardano will not be an issue. Meanwhile, Kazakhstan and Pakistan are the most likely alternatives to deploying Chinese mining hardware in the Middle East. In addition, some analysis predicts that the Chinese mining giants may move to places such as Africa. As Cardano changes the market laws as Ethereum did in its day, it will be needed for smart contracts. Due to China's hostility towards cryptocurrencies, the importance of this bridge cannot be overemphasized. Likewise, the importance of China catching up on cryptocurrencies cannot be overemphasized. And the new plans that Cardano and Nervos have for the future of their crypto tokens and applications depend solely on their ability to penetrate China. So now we'll look at the Cardano numbers so far. Cardano's analysis predicted that ADA might reach $8 to $10 very quickly from the start. With the history of the coin so far, this might be an interesting thing to consider, and the charts indicate that Cardano's price was set at 95 cents of a dollar during the Holy Week season, and that's a 0.4% drop from its previous day's price. While the market experienced its slowest lows in quite some time, some recovery appeared on the relative strength index. The uptake recorded indicated an increment in buying pressure for ADX. So far, all the moves that Cardano has made suggest that the coin has a bright future ahead. Nevertheless, this is by no means a call to go out and buy Cardano and become a millionaire soon. So what are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Look in the comments section for what to do. Make sure you click the subscribe and bell buttons.